Paintbrushes, they're not cheap. You're gonna spend up to 20 bucks for a Wooster paintbrush at Home Depot. I said Wooster, not Rooster. Whenever I go to an estate sale, I look for new and slightly used paintbrushes. However, if you are in the market for a good quality paintbrush, here's one to consider. This here is the signature brush from a company called Rollingdog, and I'm giving one like this away today on Alley Picked. I agreed to an honest review of this synthetic bristle Rollingdog paintbrush. However, I told them that I wanted 2 brushes so that I could give one away. Keep watching for details. The first thing I noticed about this brush was the handle. I'm a wood guy, so I really appreciate the nice, quality, thick finish on this beechwood handle. A lot of other brands barely put a finish on their brushes, which makes them harder to clean. This wood handle also has a large oval hanging hole, as well as an offset curve, which makes this easier to hold and guide as you paint. The second thing that I noticed was this stainless steel ferrule around the bristles. It's flat and completely smooth all the way around. This is unlike other brushes and it makes for easy cleanup. Unlike the Wooster brush, which looks like this over time. The synthetic bristles, which can be used for paint or polyurethane, look and feel great. Not too soft, not too firm. I'm here painting this bedroom today. I'll start in the closet where I'm going to test the Rollingdog brush. I'll get a good idea of how good this brush is when I do the cutting in. I'm not going to mask anything off. I'm going to do it all by hand. So when I paint the wall near the ceiling and the wall near the baseboards, I'll get an idea how precise and accurate the brush is. The brush does hold paint pretty well. It does leave some minor brush strokes that seem to level out as the paint dries. This brush, like most others, are very accurate for cutting in and around light fixtures as well as the closet bar. The only downside so far is that the stainless steel ferrule doesn't stick to a magnet like other brushes, which comes in handy when you use a paint container like this one. The internal structures of the brush are very well designed. And it comes as no surprise that the brush cleans up well. I just finished painting this whole room using the Rollingdog brush for all the cutting in. And I have to say, I really like it. It's extremely accurate for cutting in along the wall near the ceiling without getting paint on the ceiling. It also cleans up extremely well. I can hardly tell the difference between the brush I used and a brand new brush. While this brush will work for applying oil-based polyurethanes and varnishes, chemicals can be pretty harsh and difficult to clean up. So I'm going to reserve this brush for water-based products only. And that way I'll have a brush always clean and ready to go. Here's the $1 million question.
So if you're ready, let's go for the million.
Or, in other words, the $15 question. Let's say I'm at the store and I see a Purdy brush, a Wooster brush, and the Rollingdog brush, all being about the same price. Which one would I pick? Hands down, I'm going to pick the Rollingdog brush every time unless I require the magnetic feature of the handy paint cup. Now if you want a new Rollingdog brush clean and ready to go, I'm giving this one away. Here's how you can win. You need to be a subscriber to my channel, click like on this video, and put a comment in the comment section on this video telling me that you want to try the new Rollingdog brush. I'll put your name in a drawing for next week. I'm Tom. This is Alley Picked, and thanks for watching.